Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some gorgeous wedding makeup ideas. So if you plan on getting married anytime soon and you're in need of some inspiration, be sure to hit that like button and of course subscribe for more videos. So here we have someone who decided to do their own makeup look. Now, deciding to do your own makeup look for your wedding day definitely takes some skill and practice. So be sure if you do plan on doing your own makeup look that you practice. Make sure you have all the products that you're going to use so that you can create the look perfectly when the big day does happen to arrive. Oh wow, look at this. She is definitely glowing. I love this makeup look here. It's so soft, beautiful neutral colors. And then we have a full glam makeup bridal tutorial. So she does kind of like a cut crease makeup look here. Of course, lashes. Now, if you do decide to go with a makeup artist, just like you're going to practice doing your own makeup, you also want to make sure that you have an appointment with a makeup artist before the wedding day to make sure that you approve of how they are going to do your look on the big day, because you don't want to mess around and go to someone and they end up doing the makeup that you don't like. So make sure that you go and have makeup trials before your wedding day. This looks so beautiful. So here we have someone else doing their own makeup. You can see her bridesmaids kind of getting ready in the background. I have to wonder, if you plan on doing your own makeup the day of your wedding, like would you have your bridesmaids do their own makeup as well? Because if they don't know how to do makeup, you still might have to hire a makeup artist just for them. Also, just a little tip, if you do decide to do your own makeup, or if you have a makeup artist doing it, make sure they use a setting spray or buy a setting spray for yourself, because you want to make sure that that makeup lasts all day. We have another glam makeup idea. The makeup artist does a smoky eye here for this one, the nude lip. She looks absolutely beautiful. Oh, I really like that lip color. So pretty. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to get some inspiration from today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.